In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up chat for your business. So as you can see, having a chat on your site is a great way of capturing leads, answering customer questions, just being able to connect with your customers in a quick fashion. Customers love filling these out. And so if you want to set these up, this video is all about how to create your chat widget for your funnel or your website or even your external website off of our platform. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over into the platform, and you're going to click the left-hand side here that says Sites. Once you click Sites, you're going to have the option to have another menu up at the top, and you're going to select Chat Widget. So once you select that, it's going to bring up the web chat for your website, and you can start customizing these sections. So let's start up here in the chat bubble. The first thing is to enable the chat bubble. If you unselect that, it's going to just have the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. I actually highly encourage to enable that function because it gives them a question, kind of encourages them to respond to it and interact with the widget there. I strongly recommend have that intro message. It's going to be a good thing to have on there, but you can customize it to say whatever you would like. So if you want to change it, you could say something like, "Hey, have a question?" So you could have it say exactly what you want just by customizing this intro message box. Next thing is your avatar image. That's what's going to show up in this bubble here and also for the bubble that pops up. So if you want to edit that, it's the graphic on Photoshop is 300 pixels by 300 pixels. So you can customize a logo. You can use a customer support rep picture for this, kind of whatever you would like that would be good for your brand. Now, next you have return visitors. If someone has actually been to your website before and actually interacted and filled out a form, it's going to be able to know that they've been there in the past. And so it can display a custom message for return visitors. So we have an example here, "Welcome back, name. How can we help you today?" So let's say George goes there 2 weeks ago and then comes back after opting in. It would say, "Welcome back, George. How can we help you today?" So it's really a cool custom greeting that you can offer to just interact deeply on people that have already interacted with your business. Next up, we've got the widget window. So if we click that, you've got the window that's going to pop up after they click the chat bubble, and you can customize every element of this. You can customize the header, you can customize the first question, what fields you have. So we've got all those fields right here. So you can edit the header right here. You can edit your intro message here. You can also add an email field. My big focus would be on mobile phones. They have much higher response rates, but an email is definitely a field that you can also have in there as well. Now you should also include a legal message. By submitting, they're agreeing to have SMS or emails. That's going to show up right here, so you can customize that message if you want. But you definitely want to leave that in because when people are actually filling out this form, this gives you the ability to actually communicate with them via text or email. So include that. Now, if you'd like to customize the actual color to match your branding, you can just select this box here and it can bring up the color field. If you know your hex colors, you can just add them here, but you can also use the slider bar to change things around and have all kinds of different colors on this. So once you find the one that you're looking for, click done. And then now your widget is ready. We want to click on the acknowledgement settings. This is what's going to happen after they fill out the form. So once somebody says something, "Hey, I need some help, thank you," you can have it actually have a customer support contact phone number for them to call you directly. You can have it say thank you. And you can also have a response that says, "Hey, one of our representatives will contact you shortly." All of these are customizable. Just click on the field, enter in what information that you want to give them, and then it will customize the widget itself. Now, once you're done there, all you got to do, click save. That's going to save the widget to the platform. So what we want to do is to add this to your website. That's what we're going to cover in the next video.